Hey everyone, if you're ready to get the most out of ElevenReader, you've come to the right place. In this complete guide, I'll walk you through the core features, show you how to organize your content, customize your listening experience, and share a few tips to help you use the app more efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Open the ElevenReader app or website and sign in to your account. If you're new, create a free account so your library and preferences can stay synced across supported devices. Next, add content you want to listen to. Depending on the current version of ElevenReader, you can upload supported documents like PDFs or EPUB files, paste text directly into the app, or open compatible reading materials already available in your library. Open any document and press the play button. ElevenReader will begin reading the content aloud using AI narration. This makes it easy to enjoy books, articles, study notes, or work documents while you're doing other tasks. Now personalize your listening experience. So try different AI voices, adjust the playback speed, and experiment until you find settings that feel comfortable for your reading style. As your collection grows, organize your content so it's easier to find later. Use clear document names and any available sorting or filtering tools to keep your library clean and manageable. To truly master ElevenReader, use it consistently. Listen while commuting, exercising, studying, or catching up on work. Turning reading into listening is a simple way to fit more learning into your day, and that's your complete guide to mastering ElevenReader. I mean, once you learn the basics and personalize the app to match your workflow, it becomes a powerful tool for reading, learning, and staying productive. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.